Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love doing unboxings, and I toss in a little bit of plus size fashion content. Today it is my BoxyCharm by Ipsy and my Ipsy Glam Bag for October. Alright beauties, before we dive in, also peep the new packaging. Love, beautiful. If you are unfamiliar with our OG Ipsy Glam Bag, this is a $13 monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 products and a small makeup bag. And as a member, you get to pick one of those items, and it is valued up to $70. And the BoxyCharm by Ipsy is $28 monthly for 5 full-size products. As a member, you get to choose 3 of those products, and it's a value of up to $200. And I always feel like I get my bang for the buck. This is so generously gifted from Ipsy, so thank you to Ipsy for gifting. I do also get my paid for Glam Bag and my paid for BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So I'm going to dive in. I'm loving that now we have the corresponding packaging. That is really, really nice. And I will note that it is very well packaged as well this month. So let me get everything out and we will talk about what we have. This month's theme is it's Glamoween season. I'm hoping this is a fantastic month, you guys. I love spooky season so much. I love fall. I love cool weather, bonfires, sweaters. I love it all. So October 2023, grab your makeup brushes and enter our ultimate Halloween beauty verse, if you dare. This year, we've brewed up something special for you. Tons of makeup tutorials, expert tips, product picks, and hair-raising inspiration to help you conquer Halloween like a pro. And first up is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombshell, which looks absolutely stunning. As far as matte liquid lipsticks go, Huda Beauty is one of my favorites. They have a beautiful kind of velvety matte consistency to them. They have a little bit of kind of an oily slip upon first application, so you have a little bit of time to manipulate it and get it into place. Phenomenal if you do like liquid lipsticks. So I'm already happy, starting off with a bang. Next up is the Transluce Beauty, the Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. That sounds great. Next up, we have the Glow and Repair Balance Me AHA Glow Mask with glycolic acid, kaolin clay, and linden for all skin types. That also sounds great. Next is the Aloe Glow System Luminizing Face Moisturizer with Amla, Aloe, and Botanicals. It illuminates, softens, and nourishes. This is a gigantic size. I'm super excited about this. I like that we're getting more kind of glowy products or more moisturizing products, especially heading into the colder months. It's still pretty warm here in the South, obviously, but I know for a lot of people you're already having cold weather. So I'm excited about this. So far we've got 2 makeup and 2 skincare. And then last but not least, in my BoxyCharm is a large palette. This actually looks pretty familiar to me. I feel like I just got this palette, if it's the same one, in my Look Fantastic box. We shall see. But this is the iconic London Booming and Gleaming Eyeshadow Palette. It is a large size. And I will show you what it looks like. I don't think this is the same one, and actually I really like this. This is beautiful. I felt like the one that I got in my Look Fantastic was just a little bit too light, a little bit too neutral. This one has a little bit of depth to it. I kind of would have liked to have seen something a little bit more grunge or spooky or something like that, which I know not everybody likes that. So I feel like, truthfully, this is one of the prettiest palettes I've seen in like an Ipsy or BoxyCharm type thing in a long time. So I like that. I think this is a phenomenal box. What do you guys think? So again, we had our iconic London palette, our Aloe Glow System. We had our Glow and Repair Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. We had our Transluce Mascara, and then the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Bombshell. I think this is going to be a pretty dang good month. I love this. Also, don't forget, choice is open, y'all. Choice opens today, so do not forget that. Go in and definitely make your choices. And also, look, if you don't like spoilers, then I understand that. Maybe this is not the video for you. I like to make my PR unboxing video a nice little short and sweet one just to give you an idea of what you get in your box, or what I could get in my own box, of course. Now we're going to dive into the OG Ipsy Glam Bag. I've actually received the OG Glam Bag since 2015, and I love it, especially if you're somebody that maybe you're new to makeup, you're trying to build up a collection, or you want to try as many makeup and beauty products as you possibly can for a very affordable price. Or for somebody like myself, that because I travel a lot, that bag feels so nice already, but because I travel so much, I love to have the travel minis. I love Ipsy for that. Oh my gosh. Okay, this bag is killer. I loved the one from last year as well. It is this beautiful, rich looking, like velvety type feeling bag. It's almost like a Baroque inspired look with spider webs. And then we have a bat as the zipper pull. Okay, the bag, they nailed. That is beautiful. And it feels so nice and so soft. And first up, I see the Ace Beauté Seal It Makeup Setting Spray. That is, of course, a mini. And I will stick that right in my little travel bag. Next, we have the Beauty Crop, the Wee Cherry, hopefully I'm saying that right, the Gripping Primer, Hydrating and Gripping Primer. I most likely will not use this, and whatever I know that I'm not going to use goes into my Pay It Forwards, goes into giveaways for you guys. Next is the Avant. We get several things from them. This is their Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. And I also have a ton of skincare, so I definitely do not need that. Next up, I have the Dr. Brandt, one of my favorite skincare brands, the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. This I most likely would not use, but I have gone through many Dr. Brandt products, and it is a brand that I swear by. They're pricey, but I've been lucky enough to either receive PR from them or to get stuff in my subscription boxes. Last but not least, we have the Pink Lips, and I'm assuming this is a gloss. This is the Pearl Glass Lip Gloss, and that looks absolutely stunning. I also probably will not keep this one. I have a new one that I've been using, a little lemon lip gloss from Beshi Beauty that's got like some sparkles and stuff in it. The ones with sparkle are not always my favorite, especially if it's something that I can feel kind of the grittiness from the mica that's in it. Not to say that you're going to feel that in this, but I know I don't need this. So in here, we basically only got one makeup product. I don't really consider primers makeup. To me, they're more complexion. And then we have our Dr. Brandt skincare. We have our setting spray, which I love and I will keep. And then we have our Avant product. So out of this whole bag, I think I'm only going to keep the setting spray, which is totally fine by me. So I will go ahead and throw this in a giveaway for you guys, of course. I'm thrilled. I think the freaking BoxyCharm, they nailed it. 2 skincare, 3 makeup. The palette I think is really beautiful. I would have loved to have seen, even though the bag is definitely spooky season vibes, I would have loved to have seen something a little bit more bold, something a little bit more adventurous. And I know not everybody likes that, and I get that. Ipsy's trying to please everybody. But it's a good month, and I'm excited. And I'm excited for Choice to open. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for joining me, beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.